Hello guys.
This is... Oh my gosh! Ay, ayaw na. Kung kailan ko binidyohan.
No, he's dancing again.
Merry Christmas, Daymakers! WhatDaFunday is heading to Palm Springs, California. This is our last year's adventure, and trust me, this one had it all. Christmas doesn't always mean staying home. Sometimes it means packing up the family, chasing sunshine, and saying yes to a little adventure. And that's exactly what we did. Where are we going?
Small mountain.
Small mountain. Why is it small?
You said it's small.
Did I say small? How
You
about...
didn't say big either.
Oh yeah. How about the baby? It's his first time.
Hi. Traveling people.
Shy. Okay.
Hello guys, I'm Toti, and we're here in the car. And look at my eye. See my eye? See?
So where are we going?
Where?
Monkeys?
We're going to Taquitos.
Palm Springs welcome us with warm weather, desert views, and relaxed holiday feel you don't expect on Christmas Day. Right away, it felt different in the best way. Let's talk about where we stayed. This lodging became our home for the holidays. A place to rest, recharge, and let the kids go a little wild. Because honestly, the best part of family trips, seeing the kids enjoy the moment. Ayaw magpahawakan ko. First exploration of Bart. What's that? Knock knock. See?
Ooh!
Go!
Yun. Ay, hindi. Smells fart. Ooh, it's warm. Hi, Bart. Hey, see? Let's see. Open the lights. Wow, it's an owl. Ooh. Ooh.
So you're gonna pee in the bed.
Ooh.
You have diapers staying in, huh?
A bunk bed. Turn. Put out. Oh, there's din. Ano, Bart? There's ano. Ano pa? Akitin lang. Hindi pa upuin mo muna dyan.
This is my... This is new bed. It's not new house.
This is where we live now, Bart.
Not forever though.
Ooh, this is cute.
If we live forever.
Dinosaur!
Sit here, sit. Oh, maipit din yan. Maipit si Bart. I just realized that I shout too much when I feel anxious. I'm learning to pause, breathe, and speak calmly. So to all parents out there, let's keep our calm. Kids are learning too. Let's make our best effort to be calm. We can do this. We can do this, guys.
Hello guys.
This is... Oh my gosh! First few minutes, what are you doing? How close na, bis? Not yet done, Daddy. Oh no!
Don't we
Stop!
still have stuff?
Dino, come up here.
Can you turn on the TV? Parang hindi niya...
Don't we still have stuff?
Just laughter, chaos, and those little moments you know you'll miss someday. This is the kind of Christmas you can't wrap, but you'll always remember. One of the highlights of this trip was visiting Taquitz Canyon. Surrounded by nature, history, and peaceful views, it was a reminder to slow down and appreciate where we are. Even the kids felt it. Curious, amazed, present.
We found it. What are we looking for? Let's look for Kuya. Em. Look at that. There's an owl. Where are you, owl? There. Peekaboo. Owl, say hi. Hi, owl.
Palm Springs has so many hidden gems. Little spots you don't always see on the map, but end up becoming your favorite memories. We explored, discovered, and tried new things as a family.
This is our new driver. I forgot my glasses. It's Christmas in LA.
Wait, did you like your stay here, Bart?
No.
No? I thought you said
What's your favorite place about here?
Do you like staying here, Bart? There na. Yeah. Look at that, the mountain.
My favorite thing about the about here is the billiards. I like play there. What's your favorite place? What's your favorite thing about here?
I like the cold weather.
No, you don't.
I know.
What's your favorite place about? What's your favorite thing about this park? Bart, what's your favorite thing about this park? Bart, do you like the park? Do you like this place?
Yes. Answer.
What's your favorite thing about the
Say
park?
yes.
Daddy, what is your favorite thing about the park?
The weather. It's really refreshing to breathe some fresh air.
I know Mommy doesn't like it because he got sick. The weather outside is rizzy, and the fire is so skibbity.
This trip wasn't about doing everything. It was about doing things together. Feeling the joy, trying something new, and turning an ordinary holiday into something unforgettable. So make sure you watch until the end, because the real magic is in the moments you don't plan. And if you like cool family adventures, simple tips to make life more fun, and real moments of exploring, learning, and laughing together, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our WhatDaFunday family. Because here in WhatDaFunday, we just deal with it and make the best life ever. See you on our next adventure.